What's up, squad, y'all? Thanks for stopping back. We are in the building today. It's been a minute, and I'm gonna be honest, just kind of right out the gate, I'll just say, I don't know if anybody's been like me, but with all the drops coming, I don't even know, man. Like, we've been inundated with so many releases, a lot of good stuff on the way, but I don't know if I've been like kind of in the paralysis by analysis. I was talking to a friend recently, just saying that like some of these drops that we're getting right now just aren't hitting and driving that drive and enthusiasm like we felt they were going to prior to the drops. So I'm just speaking for myself, things like the Great Fives, Pure Money Threes that just dropped. These things, I'm kind of like, nah, I'm cool. They'll be around. I'll pick them up later. No big real rush to get them. But we got a lot of things on the way. But the reason I wanted to pop in here today is to talk about my guy Kobe and the Kobe Bryant line with Nike. If you've been here on the channel before or paid attention to my socials, Avril Daddy Seed on IG and across the web, I'm a huge Kobe fan, right? Huge Kobe fan, Kobe sneakers, Kobe Bryant's line, Lakers, Kobe's, that's my jam. Huge Mamba fan. And see right here, dope tee that I picked up from my guy Luke at tappedinsneakers.com. Check him out online on IG, all of that as well. Dope tees. Best quality out there. I don't have a blue LA Dodgers cap right now because I would have it on right now. So I'm giving y'all the Brooklyn Dodgers, Jackie Robinson. This is, shout out for the culture. Anyway, got this tee clearly when I got the Kobe Dodger Sixes that just dropped not that long ago. But my question I wanted to pose today, something I've been thinking about just from all the stuff I've been seeing. One, I'm glad that Vanessa Bryant and Nike have patched things up and things are going, the way of, just expansion and improvement for the Kobe Bryant line. But now, from all I've been seeing, I really start to think in my head, like, are we going to get just everything Kobe? Are they doing too much? Are they just like pimping the brand like nobody's business? And then kind of what I'm thinking may be coming for the Kobe Bryant line with Nike going forward. So before I get into all that and unpack it, do me a quick favor, hit that notification bell down below, tap in, sub up, make sure you follow across the socials, Avril Daddy Seed, and we'll get into that right now. So talking about the Kobe Bryant line, right, and Kobe brand touching everything. So we just saw the Caitlin Clark, Kobe Bryant, Kobe Fives, the Indiana Fever that just dropped. I missed those, but I was able to secure a pair through network connection. So that's on the way. So that review will be coming to the channel. And honestly, I'm so glad I haven't really missed any Kobe's this year that I really wanted. That's a blessing. I'm super hyped for that because I'm all about picking up my Kobe kicks. But anyway, we saw that. We've seen hella Kobe Bryant Air Force Ones, kind of tees. We've seen a couple releases. We saw the one that the yellow with the plaid shoelaces, based on the Kobe when he was injured, shooting, free throws in the gym late at night with his pajama pants. That shoe was dope. I didn't pick it up. As big as a Kobe fan as I am, I just don't own any Air Force Ones. And just Air Force Ones just don't move me anymore like they used to back in the day. I'm in the Baltimore area, DMV. Air Force Ones was life growing up. Back in the day, I would have copped definitely, but now I know if I bought them, they would just kind of sit. So I'm not, chasing those right now. There's one, maybe two pair I may pick up though from what's supposedly coming. But anyway, we saw those drop. We've seen the white on white that just dropped last week, right? With the white with the snake skin and the Kobe logo on those, Air Force Ones. And then we saw teases and, we're seeing that we're gonna get like 3 or 4, even more releases of the Kobe Bryant Air Force One. I know there's a purple one, there's another that's purple and black, there's different colors. Some nice looking pairs, but again, Air Force Ones, they don't just drive me, push me to run out and grab right now. But aside from the Air Force Ones, right, we're seeing Kobe brand is going to be touching dunks, right? They're doing a Lower Merion Kobe dunk, right? We've seen when the Dodgers Sixes dropped, we saw Dodgers, or baseball apparel, like baseball equipment even, right? Like the catcher's chest plate and gloves and the shin guards for catchers. And now we're seeing, I just saw recently, right, they're going to give us Nike Tech Fleece is going to be Kobe Tech Fleece with the Kobe Mamba logo on it. I picked up some tees the other day at the Nike store. couple of Nike tees. They were like just regular dry fit tees, but just the Kobe logo. Nice, you know, you can definitely get your Kobe branded, you know, Mamba apparel, kind of across the board. Shorts, tees, I've seen socks, right, jackets, everything. So again, the partnership with Vanessa Bryant, the Kobe Foundation, his brand is growing, it's doing everything. But is it doing too much? And are we going to just be inundated with Kobe brand stuff to the point where nobody cares about it anymore, right? So I mean, for them, it's amazing. And Kobe, you know, he definitely wanted to expand the brand, supposedly. I heard, you know, in his will, there was a whole discussion about, you know, expansion of his brand after he's gone, whenever that would have happened. And, you know, that's good on one side, but on the other side, I don't know. Is it doing too much? I guess only time will tell. What I see for the brand in general, though, is I see Caitlin Clark, right? She's being propped up heavy with her own Kobe PEs right now. We just got the Indiana Fever colorway. There's another one that's coming out later this year that I think she played in those this weekend. And it's like a light blue and a different color, like a white. That pair, I mean, that's supposed to drop later this year. And I like it. I love Kobe 6s. So when Kobe 6s drop, I'm all over them, trying to get mine, hopefully Flex or Sneakers app, whatever the case, Downtown Locker Room, DTLR. But also, you know, Jalen Brunson had the Statue of Liberty pair, right? That he wore during the Knicks playoff run. You know, that's coming out end of the year, holiday 2025. So what I'm thinking is going to happen with the brand, I mean, we see and hear, you know, Caitlin Clark, they're supposedly priming and getting ready for her own signature sneaker. I think the Kobe brand is going to be its own brand within Nike, just like Jordan brand, and athletes are going to be signed with a Kobe deal, right? Because expansion of all this apparel, all this merch, all these sneakers, different sneakers, you know, you got Nike Dunks, Kobe, you know, his whole range, right, of the ones through however they go, right, the Kobe AD. I think you can get an athlete like a Caitlin Clark, like a Jalen Brunson or whoever, and just sign them to, you know, Kobe. And then they'll wear new iterations of his pairs. Even if they do some advanced design for a new Kobe silhouette, they can still be under the Kobe umbrella. Because, you know, we see Sabrina Ionescu, we see Ja, we see Asia Wilson, like all these athletes have their own signature. But with the Kobe line, it's only like certain athletes I see like under and touching those Kobe specific models and new PEs. So that's my thoughts. I think that's what's going to happen. What do y'all think? Are you guys here for all the Kobe expansion across the whole Nike platform, right? The whole landscape of merch, equipment, you name it, different sneakers, you know, Air Force Ones, Dunks, Kobe line sneakers themselves. I mean, what else? You're going to see, I don't know, the ACGs probably touched with a Mamba logo, right? Or the Air Max 95, they'll, you know, probably mix in a Kobe or do something else. So we'll see what time, like I said, only time will tell, but that's just kind of my thoughts right now. And again, happy to see things grow, but just wonder where it's going. But stay tuned, we got more stuff on the way. As soon as those Caitlin Clark Indiana Fever 5s come in, the review will be going up for a close look at those. Make sure you tap in, stay locked in on the channel here, tap in, subscribe, follow across the socials at Daddy Seed. I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.